With Tebow mania in full swing, one blogger is trying to capitalize on it for the sake of abortions. Sofia Brigado started a campaign encouraging people to donate to groups like Planned Parenthood and the National Abortion Rights Action League every time Tebow scores. Joining me now is Congressman Mike Kelly. Congressman, I can't think of anything more outrageous, insulting, and disgusting than to do something like this blogger, Sofia Brigado. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, well, Eric, it's nice to be with you. And you know what? Certainly, Tim Tebow doesn't need an endorsement from me or from any other person. This is a guy who puts his faith ahead of football, who has always walked in the right way and has always talked the right way. And certainly in a sport right now, as we know, that's looking for heroes and looking for people that children can look up to and young people can look up to. Being a father and a grandfather and coaching at one time a lot of young people, Tim Tebow, he is the personification of everything that's right about America.
Yes, yes. And we didn't listen. We're all in favor. We've done Tebow segments, but this for me was so outrageous that a pro-abortion group is using the Tebow mania to turn the argument, to change the argument. It's disgusting to me.
Well, let's hope that our friends who do not believe in that come forward, and really it was a surge of people who say this is absolutely wrong. It's upside down thinking. And again, we're in a country where you're allowed to say anything you want, but we're also getting to a point where doing what's right is sometimes wrong and doing what's wrong is sometimes right. This makes no sense to people who are clear thinkers. I can't begin to imagine anybody doing that and thinking that somehow they're advancing a cause. This is just absolutely upside down thinking, especially at this time of the year when we celebrate the birth of Jesus and say, wait a minute. And I got to tell you, I know the Tim Tebow story, and I know what Mrs. Tebow went through in her pregnancy. She chose to have Tim Tebow, and a lot of people said, maybe you should abort him because it's going to be a danger to your health. She said, no, no, no. I want this child. This is a gift from God. I want him here. And you know what? My gosh, has he lived up to everything that we all want to be and who we want our kids to be and who we want as heroes. We really need people like us. And for the other group to use this and say this is a way to raise money for abortions, my gosh, this is so upside down.
Upside down. Congressman, we always hear about, you watch football, you see that this next field goal is sponsored by so-and-so who'll make a donation to a good cause every time a field goal is scored or a touchdown. Or in baseball, a home runs for whatever cause. Those are all good causes. This one, what is this? This is them using sports, a great festive occasion for some sort of political, ideological, I don't know, media attention, I guess.
Well, yeah, and you're right. I mean, but there are people, because they will use whatever they can, and they'll try to distort it, and they'll make it something that's not. Again, upside down thinking. This is so bizarre that anybody would go to this length to take something that's so good and turn it into something that doesn't make sense to an awful lot of Americans. Bad approach, doesn't make sense. And again, at this time of year, for people with faith to watch us, they need to come out, they need to make their statements saying, get this out of here. We're not in support of it.
All right,
do away with it.
Appreciate your time, Congressman Mike Kelly.
Thanks, Eric.
Thank you very much.
Hey, Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas.